Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. And this one I can put into s to the power of negative number 3. So we can apply the formula that is about the power rule of the derivative. For example, we have f of s equals to s to the power of n. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have ns to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply the formula for s to the power of negative number 3, and we have du equals to negative number 3s to the power of negative number 3 minus 1. We have negative number 4. And this one we have negative number 3 over s to the power of 4 ds. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we divide both sides by negative number 3. This one we change by u. This one we change by du over negative number 3. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.